Welcome to another fun English learning video. Today, we'll learn English with this hospital picture. Hospitals are busy places where doctors, nurses, and workers are always helping patients. We'll use some phrasal verbs to describe everything happening here. These phrasal verbs will help you understand and talk about hospitals in English. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start with the left side of the picture. Here, we see an elderly man wearing yellow clothes. He has a white turban on his head and is sitting down on the sofa in the waiting area. He looks calm as he waits for his turn. What does sitting down mean? It means to lower your body and rest on a chair or sofa. Now, look at the man in green near the middle of the picture. This man is pushing along a red oxygen cylinder. He is moving it to another place where a patient might need it. What does pushing along mean? It means to move something forward by applying force, like pushing a cart or a cylinder. Let's look below that. Here, two men in green uniforms are bringing in a patient on a stretcher. The patient is lying down and looks like he needs help. They are carefully moving the stretcher to a room. What does bringing in mean? It means to carry or move someone or something into a place. Now, on the right side of the picture, we see a sweet moment. A nurse is looking after a baby in a bed. What does looking after mean? It means to take care of someone and make sure they are okay. Next, let's focus on the middle of the picture. Here is a doctor wearing glasses and a white coat. He is checking on a boy in a wheelchair. The doctor is making sure the boy is okay. What does checking on mean? It means to see if someone is doing well or if something is fine. Now, look at the young boy in the center. This boy is holding a pink file and walking around. He is a patient himself. His arm is broken and wrapped in a sling. He might be waiting to see the doctor. What does walking around mean? It means to move from one place to another on foot, often without a specific purpose. Let's check out the nurse wearing a blue dress. She is picking up medicines and tools from a trolley. She is preparing everything that patients might need in their rooms. What does picking up mean? It means to lift something from a surface or take it in your hand. Now, let's look at the back of the picture. Through the window, you can see surgeons working on a patient in the operation theater. They are performing surgery to help the patient feel better. What does working on mean? It means to spend time fixing or doing something, like helping someone or solving a problem. Now, look at the woman in a yellow sari near the beds. She is waiting for someone. She looks patient and relaxed as she sits on a chair. What does waiting for mean? It means to stay in a place until someone or something comes. Finally, let's talk about all the nurses, doctors, and workers moving around in the hospital. Everyone is moving around the hospital, helping patients and doing their work. They are very busy. What does moving around mean? It means to go from one place to another in a busy way. Wow! This hospital is so busy, and we've learned so many phrasal verbs today. Let's quickly review. Sitting down, pushing along, bringing in, looking after, checking on, walking around, picking up, working on, waiting for, moving around. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed learning with this picture, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye!